As new social freedoms changed the courtship rituals that had been in place since Victorian times, people began to marry for love rather than family expectations. This was a time of glamour, exuberance, and powerful modernity in design as in life. Jewellery turned to geometric forms exquisitely rendered in platinum or white gold. Diamonds in old European and emerald cuts were mounted in channel settings against black oinks, rubies, sapphires, and emeralds to create colour block effects. Cubism, Futurism, and the machine aesthetic all influenced Art Deco design. The resulting clean-lined compositions often incorporate complex patterns and repetitions. Rings of this era also favour cuts with larger facets, which are said to draw the eye more deeply into the stone, almost like getting lost in a lover's gaze. The experts at 1stdibs are here to help you find the ring that perfectly expresses your true love story, so that your romance too will go down in history.